Hi, my name is Celeste Alasco, and today is March 1, 2025. So my current YouTube subscriber is 1,289. Sometimes kasi when opportunity knocks, hesitant ako, I go for it, pero sometimes like hindi 100%. So today, I'd like to give it a try. Full 100% of my effort, my energy, focus, and time. I'm currently in a relationship, 5 years now, going six this year. I'd like to spend it with self-development. So, doon yung time kung kailan ako nagre-research, nanonood ng mga YouTube or movies or videos or books or mga inspiration. Finifeed ko yung sarili ko with knowledge, and then yun din yung finifeed ko doon sa mga nililig kong tao with my business. And also, an ideal weekend for me, other than sa me time, di ba? I'd like to spend it on the beach. The sound of water really calms me down. So, if I will be having a weekend na ganun lang yung gagawin, to spend my weekend on the side of the beach, not necessarily na full of activity, just there, be silent, enjoy the moment, enjoy the time, enjoy the breeze, para I have that enough energy to go on my next plans or next move or action plan the following week. Na I look very young kasi talaga. Some people doesn't take me seriously. Hindi lahat some people lang. I think people misunderstand kung paano yung intellect ko when it comes to to my age. My face looks young, but I believe my perspective in life is much way mature than the looks of my face. Yon. So people misunderstood mo with that. And I guess some people misunderstand me na stricto or suplada, but then again, serious lang ako about how to improve life, and I really like to help other people. So some people misunderstand me na if I'm approaching you or if I'm approaching a person, some people close their doors like they don't want to open up, but actually I'm just curious about their life. I'm just curious about how can I help them. I'm a person na gusto ko lang palagi mag-help sa tao. Not specifically or not necessarily financial help. I'd like to help people when it comes to their self-development, how to improve their character, their confidence, 'di ba? Be it in the physical, also in the emotional and intellectual. Never pa po akong nakatungtong sa ibang bansa. Takot ako na mag-travel mag-isa. Siguro one of my bucket list for next year is kahit isang bansa mapuntahan ko next year. What's in my bucket list pa? Makapunta ako sa ibang bansa for free. Who knows, di ba? Most of the thing na iniisip ko is how to improve my life, how to level up my game. So I'm having a fitness business. Every time I wanted to level up what's more. So every time that I hit my goal, what's next? And every time that I don't hit my goal, lagi kong tinatanong what's wrong? Ano yung kulang? Ano yung hindi ko nagawa? Ano yung hindi ko naibigay? And palagi ko iniisip is how to achieve my dream. Paano ko ma-reach yung dream na yun? At kailan ko ma-reach yung dream na yun? Every time na I'm by myself, lagi ko palaging iniisip is how to improve myself, how to improve my life, how to level up my game, how to level up my business, and how to make it grow. Of course, I am happy. Ever since I have known and have the relationship with God, I am happy. Regardless of the challenges na binibigay sa buhay ko, I am happy. So regardless if there's a relationship na na-cut off from my life, I am happy. Tinatanong ko si Lord, bakit nangyari yon? Ano yung kailangan ko matutunan about it? Ano yung kailangan kong paghandaan? after nangyari yung pangyayari na yon. Actually, last year and this year has been a challenging year for me. But then, I realized mas ma-intimate yung relationship ko kay Lord this time. Why? Because a hard challenge hit me, hit my family, but then I gave my full trust to the Lord. I am happy with my life and I'm happy that this is my family and I'm happy because real people ang nag-stay sa buhay ko, and then these people helps me how to improve my life and supports me in whatever possible they can, and I in return. So, I'm happy. The biggest thing that happened to me this year is to know that there are people who had big dreams. Nagkaroon ako ng C-part na may malaki palang pangarap at kaya palang ma-achieve yung pangarap na yun. Before kasi, I haven't been involved with people na wealthy or rich or has dreams. Ngayon kasi, God make me meet these people, na wow, may ganun palang buhay. Wow, may ganun palang pangarap. The moment that I saw, I'm not jealous or envy or anything, but the moment I saw their life like this or how did they achieve their dream, I was so motivated and inspired. And nasabi ko that time na, grabe, ang liit lang pala ng pangarap ko. And that moment that the Lord did made me see these people, the life of these people, then that is the moment also that I changed my dream bigger, bolder. Sabi nga, pag mangarap ka in the capacity na hindi mo kaya. Yung parang imposible talagang mangyari sa buhay mo. Yun yung pangarap eh. Because when that happens or when that fulfills in your life, masasabi mo na hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang effort mo yun, kundi effort mo yun with God. Yun yung masasabi mo na hindi ko to kayang mag-isa eh. Kinaya ko to kasi the Lord's grace is with me. The biggest jump talaga and the biggest thing that happened to me is when I did the freelancing sa personal training, and then I did the online business sa personal training, and online business dun sa retailing. Because ito, tama, pag freelance ka, hawak mo oras mo, and then hawak mo rin yung success mo. Before kasi, when I was an employee, my efforts are not acknowledged. Yung parang, na-feel nyo ba yon? Na parang magaling ka naman, pero ba't hindi ka na-promote? Magaling ka naman, pero ba't hindi na-acknowledge yung effort mo? Something like that. And then, you have ideas na parang hindi naririnig. So, I'm not against those, no? Pero the moment before kasi I see, nung full-time ako sa gym, so, I see the freelance people na parang ang saya nila, na malaya sila, and then nagagawa nila lahat ng gusto nila, and then I desire that. So, when I change those career freelancing, mahirap sa umpisa. Sabi ko nga, yung freelancing hindi yan para sa lahat. Para lang yan sa mga matatapang. Kasi pag meron, meron. Pag wala, wala. At kapag wala, anong gagawin mo para magkaroon? So, the biggest thing that happened to me in my career is dong big shift na nagkaroon ako ng natutunan ko yung online business sa fitness training, because I learned how to do my website, I learned how to do the booking, I learned how to do yung scheduling. Actually, my goal is to have it become passive income. Passive, yung business na online business ko sa fitness. And also, God is so great that He also revealed to me another side of online business, which is online business siya, but this time it's retail. So, ang background ko kasi with business is from the merchandising, but way back nung corporate employee ako. And then, dito ko na-apply lahat ng learnings ko. And I'm so happy because I've learned so much into owning a business. So, small business pa siya sa ngayon, but I am learning so much from this business, and I'm looking forward to have this business grow. So, babalikan ko tong video na to, yung araw na ito, kung kailan maliit pa lang yung business ko, and I will take you to that journey. How did I achieve it, or paano ako nakapunta doon in the future? So, I'm very, very positive and forward about how this major change in my life when it comes to also in my career and in this business. You have learned so much and i-apply mo na yung learnings mo. Kasi knowledge and wisdom is different, diba? You can gain all the knowledge by reading books, by watching motivational videos, by watching these great leaders and speakers. But then, unless you apply those learnings, it won't become a wisdom. So I want you to be wise by applying those learnings. And when you apply it, teach them to someone. Teach it to someone agad para hindi mo makakalimutan. And i-embrace mo lahat nung experience na may experience mo kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang sa business, nagsisimula ka pa lang bilang an entrepreneur. Madami kang ma-experience and don't take it personally or don't take it emotionally. Huwag mo i-involve yung emotion mo. Palagi kang maniwala dun sa sistema, doon sa program or dun sa standard, sa vision mission na sinet up mo, sa core values na meron ka. Stick to that. Stick to that, trabahuhin mo, pagfokusan mo in one whole year, then balikan mo tong video na to after a year and tell me what happened. So, ang buhay, panalo or talo. 'Di ba? Hindi mo maiiwasang matalo at hindi mo rin maiiwasang manalo. Pero, pag natalo ka, hindi pa yon end ng life mo. Pag natalo ka, yun ay way to learn, 'di ba? In failure, you will learn. In success, not so much. So meaning, the failure, yung talo mo, hindi yan talo actually. That's your learning curve. And then yung panalo mo, yung success mo, hindi rin yan end ng story. Yung bawat success mo, result yan ng bawat failure mo. At yung bawat success mo, merong mas bigger success than that. So, bawat success na na-achieve mo, pataas yan ng pataas ng pataas. Aim to hit every winnings, aim to hit every goals, and push yourself to level up every time. Paano ko ba ito sasabihin? Yan, ang biggest fear ko is kapag yung parent ko, hindi nila nakita yung success na na-achieve ko. I hope maabutan ko na ma-share ko sa nila, ma-enjoy nila yung achievements ko habang buhay sila. One also of my biggest fear is yung regret na hindi ko ginawa yung dapat kong gawin while I am at this age. Ayokong dumating sa time na tumanda ako, tapos sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, dapat pala ginawa ko to. Sana pala noon sinubukan ko. I don't want to have regret when I reach my old age. Celeste, 1 year from now, this is my message for you. Alam mo, magaling ka, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, marami kang maa-achieve, marami kang tao na mababago ang buhay, marami kang kayang gawin. Actually, hindi aksidente na multi-talented ka at hindi lahat ng tao merong character na meron ka. Oo, iba-iba yung tao, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na talented ka. Alam mo sa sarili mo na madami kang skill. Sabi nga, 'di ba, jack of all trades, master of none. But sometimes mas better than master of one, 'di ba? Dahil sobrang dami mong kayang gawin, nahirapan ka mag-focus. I just want you to focus on one thing. Focus on your strength. Focus on life-changing. 'Di ba? Yung nakakatulong ka sa mga tao, makakabago ka ng buhay ng tao, 'di ba? Because that is what God wants, 'di ba? God wants that people will be happy, people will be healthy, people will be wealthy and abundant, 'di ba? So become generous of just teaching these people and inspiring these people and motivating these people. Regardless of those people, na hindi may mga tao na hindi sasakay sa trip mo, pero may tandaan mo na may mga tao din na sasakay sa trip mo. So yun lang, I hope you do everything in this lifespan because you are so much more, because God blesses you with so much talent. So, ayun lang for today's video. So, see you again. I'll be doing this year on year, and then I'll be seeing this video and I'll be doing this for another round next year. So this is inspired by Jade Dharmawangsa. So that's all for today, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.